Hello and welcome to this part of the Laravel soccer tutorial. My name is Bello and I want to show you today how to use models and a little bit about architecture that I explained in the first video. So let's go. I want to get all the teams out of the database. So if you take a look at our that shouldn't be working. Out of our database right here, we have our players here, and we got the teams right here. So everything's fine. And for the next step, I want to generate models to use the database. So the model is kind of representing a table out of the database and gives you several operations you can do. As you can see at the Laravel documentation right here, if you go under database, for example, or Eloquent ORM, it's a object relational mapper, and it's pretty cool what you can do with it. I really recommend you to check this out with database, all the database pages and all the other current pages. And here you have really lots of stuff going on here. You can build relations and yeah, I will show you the important stuff right now. So this is kind of an error because it's not working right now. Make a model and team. I want to make a team model right now. That was really fast. And the player model. So now it's generated right here and right there. And now I want to each team has players, and I'm building a relation right now. It's important, and it's this has many, and it's app player. Why? Because player is under the namespace app, and so you have to do it like that. You're referencing the class right here, right? That's the point. So that's it for the one side, and for the other side, it's like team belongs to team. So it's really that easy. If you take a look at the entity relationship model right here, it's really like that. So everything's cool. Good. Right now I want to make a little bit output to see if it's working like I want to. So I'm going for root get. It's a HTTP verb you want to use right now. Teams. And I'm going for a closure, no controller right now, just for showing you that it's working. You go on this on another stage, on another tutorial video. So I want to return response, and it should be a JSON response, and I want to get the teams. First of all, I want to get all teams. So right now there's something missing. It's like use eliminate HTTP and response. You need this to use that one. Otherwise, you wouldn't found, or I would not found it. And I want to use the app team as team. It's a team model. That's important. So going for that one. And right now, I'll take a look. Yeah, here see. I'm always using this one. It's pretty cool. You got the team 1 here and the team 2, like it's in a database. So right now, I want to get the players too, so not all, but with. I want to get this with players. Well, what the heck is wrong? Player return belongs to. Gosh, that's cool, but it's not that point, I think. Well, with players. What the heck? Let me take a moment. So what I was missing right now, you have to use the get method at the end, because with all, like this, he gets all data. He knows what to do. But if you're going for with, you could, if you want to, add a where clause like this one, and yeah, he should, or he has to know that the statement is really terminated, so you use this get. Another possibility would be first, so we just try that out. As you can see here, we just get one team, right? So, but if I go for get, I will get every teams. It's like all in this case. So everything is in here. You can see the teams and the players. Yeah. The one thing I really don't like about this, and we are really going to clean up the code right now. I really don't like that the models are here, because if you got lots and lots and lots of models, like I think 6, which would be awful. Don't think about like 50 or something. That would be really bad. So I want to make a new folder like impl. It's for implementation, and in that one I want to go for model, and I will start my Explorer right here. Show an Explorer, and I want to get these both under here. So what I have to do right now is to change some things. So it's not namespace app anymore, it's impl model, yeah, team. That's the first thing. I have to change this in a roots PHP file as well, and I'm going for changing with here too. No, it's like this is enough. This is enough. So it's a player and it's a team. I changed all with both, and impl model team as team is well good as well too, but it won't work because you can't find it. Why is it like that? Composer is like not only managing dependencies, but he's generating an autoloader, so it helps Laravel to find all the classes, and because of that, the app folder is known to Composer, but the impl folder is not. You could place it anywhere. I think if I try, maybe this could work. So take a look. It's like, no, I want to change the team right now. App impl. So it's like really like an experiment. I often put the team model, the models on a different folder, so you have to change the composer JSON file right here. But right now I will just try to use it. It's the first time for me too. And I put it there. And I have to change the routes file as well. Oh, I changed it. Okay, fine. So he just don't find app on player. That's good. That's a good error if you want so. And because like this, it's better. and you got over later. Surprise, surprise! But I want you to show how to get it working with Composer, and therefore I will strike this out again and get my arrow back. I want my arrow back. So it does work, it doesn't work, and right now I'm going for adding another piece error 4. Yeah, it's okay. And use the import method right here. The import namespace, and it's under point import. And then it won't work because Composer generates an autoloader, and I have to regenerate it. If you want to take a look, it's under heck here. It's an autoloader class map, and there's autoload files and really much going on here. And this is for loading all the classes that are needed. So what I want to do right now, it's composer dump autoload. So he generates a new one, new files. There's I think a composer optimize command here that cleans everything up and makes it really fast. It's really cool for production. And right now everything's good, I think, and if I take a look here, everything's fine. So right now you have the possibility to put this info folder where you want to. It's not has to be under app, or maybe you're just like something like here, or you want to, yeah, you could place it everywhere. That's the point. So and yeah, one thing I want to show you and end this tutorial is how to get a specific team. So we could get for like this, and teams, and team ID, I think. Let me take a moment. So I'm back again, and I want to use this variable and get all the team, or the team with this idea. So team ID, return response. It's not that easy. And it should be a JSON response. So I'm going for team get team ID. Yeah, I missed something, I know. And no, it's not get, it's find. Sorry. Find team ID. That should be it. So I'm going for teams, like team 0, it's ID, and it doesn't work. Why? Why isn't that working? Oh, yeah. You have to get. What the heck is going on right here? It's not okay. Take me a moment. So I already got my mistake right now. With the code, everything's fine, but ID start with 1, not 0. That's it. So that's it for this coding tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you at the next video. Bye.